Let's dive into apparel sourcing and a key role that most new brands totally overlook.
Now, this might surprise you, but the person who really controls your order isn't who you'd think. Most new buyers put all their focus on the factory owner, thinking they're the one in charge. But in reality, the merchandiser is the one who determines if your order runs smoothly or hits delays.
So, what is a merchandiser? Well, they're the main coordinator for your order inside the factory. Their mission covers everything from buyer communication and costing to planning and tracking production progress.
You can basically think of them as the operational manager for your specific account.
Yep, they're the information hub, connecting fabric sourcing, cutting, sewing, the whole shebang. Plus, they solve problems like fabric shortages before you even hear about them. But for them to succeed, they need clear, structured information from you. Things like a complete tech pack, size charts, and fabric specs, these are absolutely critical.
All this info is especially important for one of their very first jobs, accurate costing.
See, the final price is a mix of fabric consumption, trims, sewing, and packaging costs.
And any pricing mistakes, well, they can mess up both the factory's margins and your brand's budget.
Okay, so here's your playbook. You have to build a direct relationship with your merchandiser. So communicate clearly, give specific feedback on samples, and confirm milestones quickly.
One of the biggest wins from a strong partnership, gaining real visibility into production.
So you should definitely ask for updates on key checkpoints, like when fabric arrives or cutting starts.
You see, experienced buyers treat merchandisers as partners, not just some email contact. And remember, you're not their only client. They're juggling multiple buyers and complex schedules. Just understanding their workload really helps communication and cuts down on sourcing friction.
The difference is huge. A real partnership gets you proactive problem solving and a smooth production flow.
So you have to ask yourself, is your merchandiser just a contact or your most valuable partner?